Mhm. Parara. Now good morning. Oh yeah, Mati. Pam. Good morning, everybody. Please, as you are coming, share. Share. Quick one. Please share. My people, now good morning. We'll continue. Eh? Oh yeah, Mati. Now good morning. Please share, very quick one. I don't to get a chance, but I will quick do this one. Paparadam. Please share. Paparadam. I plug my phone in. Where is the charger? Blow my this. Yes, chief of staff. Good morning, sir. Good morning, Baba. Alright, boy, you. Please share. Salsa. What Baba? Nobody knows tomorrow. Wow. That is why I don't jealous anybody. I will be the last person to jealous anybody. Every small thing that they jealous me, I don't know. I be a one call carry what you get. I just say when we they tell now the truth, I say they jealous now. We are not jealous in anybody. The truth has to be saved by all time because people's life is at stake. Oh, not too long. Thank you. Your days belong. What do you mean? Why if you die, your days belong. That is, you will live for eternity. Maybe your days belong. It days already belong. So, my brothers and sisters, una good morning, una good afternoon, una good day, una good night. I will praise our Madike small because we don't have time. We will praise it another day. Oh, Madike. Unadikanu. Oh, Madike. Oh, Madike Biafra. Unadikanu. Oh, Madike. Unadikanu. Oh, Madike. Oh! Don't do my people. God go bless una. My brothers and sisters, una good morning, una good day, good everything. Una when you still like me for the struggle, invite other people to come and listen to me. So I am a IPOB. I am an IPOB woman, 100%. I go nowhere. Una no see. Nobody can sack me. I repeat. And I'm not stepping down for anybody. And I'm not fighting for anybody. I joined IPOB to fight for Biafra. Puto basta. If you are doing the right thing, I'm with you. If you are not doing the right thing, you are killing our brothers and sisters in the land because of your selfish interest. I am not with you. Count me out. If you like me. If you like, hate me. I don't fight for anybody. No. If you are not fighting a good fight, you are leading our people to a stake. I am not with you. Because I have a conscience, a very big one. It will be judging me. I will not sleep at night. Yes. My brothers and sisters, Mona has people where they near me. Sometimes, if I talk to people in the evening, sometimes sleep go take me. Because what? I don't have any stay on my hand. I am very free. The only time I did not sleep, I will not lie, and be when they cash our own at the can finish. I didn't sleep for 2 weeks. I was trying to get myself, how this thing happen, how this thing happen, how it happen. I go to spiritual, I go to different, go to river, go to cemetery. At the end of the day, hello, Baba. Yeah, I dey hear you. Okay. 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 I know they look comment before, so you know get work. Now you know say I don't get work. Since why the shots they come. Now you know say I don't get work because I don't take bribe. Wait till now 1 year, I could tell now. I know they read comment before, but now they observe my brother. God go bless you. Hey, my brothers and sisters, we must continue. Now you know say I not get work because say you don't kill Igbo, you don't kill all the old Igbo people finish. You don't kill. When I tell they use them make money. Now no say I not get work. One thing where our leader said. He said, if you know what will bring Biafra, do it. Yes, I stand on that too. If not be that one, una the cannot stand on. I'm not with you guys. I'll shift. Now you know say I don't get work, abi. Since why they shout they come, since you see, when I say Fulani is better than some Igbo people not be all because all of them now they say now I thought no. So Igbo people, Fulani are better than them. You see, their governors where they supposed face now. They know they face them. Oh. No, na me they go face. You go come, they ask me whether I don't get work. Now today you know say I don't get work. Since why they chat since they come 4 years now, 3 years. Oh, me winner. Now where he me winner? What bear you are? What better? What bijou? It is your she on your black people, you useless idiot. Hey, my brothers and sister. Our leader said, don't fight for any Igbo man. Don't fight. Now he talk him. He dey here, I know they lie. He said, don't fight for anybody. If fight for Biafra. If you know what we bring Biafra, do it. Very simple. Now we they do so. If you are truthful, you are truthful person in this struggle. I'm with you. Me, I don't get where I did. I don't do this. I am with you. But if not you, kill Ikoso. Every morning if I wake, I'll they swear for you. Yes. When I see what they go on now, we never know what say now whether not true. Anybody will get hand for what he happen to our leader. As my prayer they go home, now so it go down. He must sick and die. Nobody will live forever. But we must pray for our enemy, for them to be down. Yes. So that their power, our ancestors go break out for them. You idiot people. It is say I be one of all those people who now they press their hair, people. Tomorrow it go sort now. Next tomorrow it go call. No, I not be like that. So I not they praise anybody. Una the can if he come out, he say, was Sophia, you not doing well. Come on. I go come out. The man not be like that. Una say they can't they claim right. Because una ideology na 2023. He say no what. What he go do? Only one for all this mix of bad people. Now the guy begin a struggle for today go sack this one, tomorrow go sack this one, yes tomorrow go sack this one. Don't say only they don't know say they're not good though. Thank God for what happen. Thank God. All their anyash don't they open. All their anyash don't they open. Thank God. See, everything happen for a reason. Yes. Everything happen for a reason. We also no good, who no good. We also know. God, he not go die for dear. He go call him. My man, not forget. My brothers and sisters, please. This account number. Now me the operator for here. But now IPOB account number. But now me that in charge. Believe in me, please. Support us. Support us. Our leader not that for their war. I'm here serving you. Our leader, he not go die for there. La. We'll do something. We are mothers. We have children. We'll protect our own. All those criminals will go collect money for devil money. They share for some people. Una way they follow. Mona open her eye. The only person now when I trust for this social media where I see they take it in word now be Methuselah. The rest people 50-50. I don't say na me too good though. For now they tell now. Methuselah Lioma. Those two people follow them. They are truthful people. Yes. They want freedom. They don't want kurukere. No. Even say Methuselah now. They don't go they push it. Although that one you never like pastor. Don't go there. Some people don't go they speak language for her. They don't they put something for your head. See, it still stand firm. Gidigba. If they all of now way they fight for leadership, if they ask me who is to be leadership, me know people. When me go say now this one qualified, the other one. Mona forget it. We don't they fight leadership, we they fight Biafra. Either Biafra or death. Mona for now, all of now, Mona you forget leadership for now. What we focus on, referendum and our leader. That is what we for me. I'm not gonna time. I bet my people, man, not gonna talk. Go miss what I want to do. I bet my brothers and sisters, Frank. I beg, let me donate for me, please. This account is IPOB account. I'm in charge. Anything happen to my money, Mona can't ask me. Our leader must be free. Me. Our leader must be free. Anything when I tell now, it so shall it be. He said, our ancestors go through now the can 100%. Nothing they happen. Anybody who is truthful, now they follow. If you are a leader, you are not truthful. I know they follow you. Forget it. Now everything will they talk. I bet my brothers and sisters, this is an IPOB account. I am our leader. God will bless you anyway, but don't worry. You must be free. You don't they hurt them. They must pay and damages. I bet my brothers and sisters, this number supposed to have pinned it there. Yeah, spell it Frankie. I bet my brothers and sisters, this IPOB account number. I am the one in charge here. Please, if you want to pay to IPOB, pay this one. If they don't use that way, Mona can't hold me responsible. Our leader must be free. Now me they tell now. They must be free. So I beg, Mona donate for this our IPOB account. Iba number everything day. I'll place out here. Nothing the apple. Now me they in charge. Me go nowhere. And our leader must be free. Our leader Mazuna the Kanu say, don't fight for any Edoma, any Igboma, any Isokoma, any Uroboma, anybody. I got the audio. Maybe if they talk and ancestors, our leader and ancestors. So now our ancestors they tell us, say, don't fight for anybody. Fight for yourself and Biafra. What will they fight for? We are fight. See, left for me. IPOB are still intact. Forget it. All of us na IPOB. If he good, we did here. If he bad, we did here. Hello, Yene. Hello. Hello. Ire video yati weba. Ire life magwa. Go. You know, let me find the account number. Wait, I know they here. I be me find that from Messenger. Wait first. Our leader said fight for Biafra, not fight for any man. How can they fight for man? Where our brothers? You don't know how many people die for Imo State? Only Imo State, not be the rest state. Only Imo State. Do you know how many of our boys that die? You don't see the van, army van where they bring home. Say satellite day. That satellite, if you're in Biafra land. They just put your phone number. You go your point there where you did. They'll go kill you. You know how many? The day here they call the fight for human being. Where the people they pay with their life. You want to come and jeopardize their life. You just say, see, if house destroyed, they'll rebuild them. Anything this life is destroyed. Person like Koson, Mona, I forget. You know they life again. Forget, you know they. You know they. Mona don't tell me. Now these people, they not do what our leader said there. They'll come they tell the guy lie. They'll come write big letter, big paper, senator. That one just read now, here go your boss. You know, no say they not one. My brothers and sisters, more they tell ourselves the truth. Sit at home. Not be anybody give our people. Say me that they sit down. Mazi Edozie, God will bless you for that idea. Say every month they sit at home. The people hold the power. They say they don't want go market again. Now the governors and all those idiots, they are now feeling it. I think they said that Biodunka. When I tell you that people is the one that holds the land, believe me, not be all those. See, America not they come fight for us. No. London, they not they come. Now they read the constitution. Say anybody in outside cannot interfere. Now they the Zoom. So you and me and our people on ground. Now what one? Mona no worry. Edo State, they know they participate. Edo State, they know they participate. Robo, they know they cannot. Mona no worry. All those ones they prepare. They want scatter everywhere. Abuna no see how many security where they put. Area Bible they there. Yes, I don't create your own. Maybe tomorrow now I'll create. Next tomorrow. What did they call our Conga? Okay, create the other we can create only this outside. So we have to strategize. Now we start SARS. You not can work far. You not can work fine. Mona no worry. My grandmama say 100 years not for forever. 100 years not be forever. They'll do something. Mona no worry. Una our people in the east. God will bless una. Now I get the land. I salute una. Una continue. Sit down for us on Monday. Not go anywhere. This governor now they kill now. Don't you go bring this thing Fulani from nowhere. Can they kill our boys? Put them for army and police. Where be say the southeast, no job. Even southwest, no job. Our southwest people na agbeu. Even Edo State agbeu, no job. Conductor, driver, they will be graduate or they do conductor. So my brothers and sisters, don't fight for anybody. Anybody come and be defending people that is eating money. They relax, they chop people money. They say, "Mo, not talk." No, we'll talk. Let me tell you secret. In Edo State, where I come from, I tell our leader, announcer, and say, we get extended security. But the person that they give it that job, ask him whether I put the extended security there. You not put the same thing with data. So Mona no come they accuse us, say our people know they do anything. Our people know they do anything. Una no carry us along. Una no they open up. What did they want to do? Make they all go they die for nothing. Eh? What do you want us to do? Eh? You get one boy, we just if I comment, if I comment, you go just put red me. I don't say you mess if you like put red dead, but the truth, I must tell you. Now the truth I tell you, I go tell you, my dear, whether na Sam be name, I go tell you the truth. I know hate you, but the truth, I must tell you. Okay? Thank God, Sam, thank God say, our people die for answers. After the answers, our boys with their key. If not be said that they block my Facebook all the time, I go they post and make you the same. After the answers, our boys with their key, with their key, not be small. The one where still they go prison. I be not see say Obaseki they build prison, join prison. Why you think say they pre-build that? You think say now Oba Pikin they go there or now Pikin they go there. Now why innocent boys they go there? So may you shut up. No get sense. See, my brother, as I tell you before, we know the bego. No, all of us want freedom. Yes, all of us want freedom. Even the South need freedom more than the Igbo self, the Southeast. Yes, they need freedom more than them. Not be only you know they see for Europe here. Go to Delta, go to Edo State, all of the day Libya, Mediterranean Sea. They think they want to take crossroad. Now we suffer pass now. Now we need that pass. If you go, say, una they can't come, you can't even tell and say 5 states. You think say we want to stay in Nigeria? No, we'll spoil every year. Now we even the fight the real fact. Now we see your ban now you pay 30,000 euro. Murphy they claim glory say na lie. Murphy na lie. You be thief. Now Oba wife, he marry a Ben, I make Oba they pay 30,000 euros. Now, no, as we make case be for this country. We make a sway me, and they will pay until they die. Now they happen so. Not be Murphy, because say Murphy, in Germany, now may they use Murphy name, not be Murphy. Not be Murphy. Murphy, I know hate you. I know they jealous you, you know now. You know me. Wait, I will tell you, I must tell you. Why Oba is paying 30,000 euro is because of his wife. Very simple. It's not because of you. Left for only you. Now you the fight Oba. They'll put you for prison. You know if you do anything. Prison. See, the Murphy they shout. He marry for social media. You no can know say something they happen. This is now shoot one. My brothers and sisters, please what it call carry me come. Make another people matter not come take my day. But for me, I don't fight for anybody. I fight for freedom. Biafra, Puto bastard. We go just get everybody wakai. We'll go and face our own territory. My brothers and sisters, please. I defy the account number. I not see. I need money. I want to do something, please. This money is IPOB account. In case if I not still use and do the thing, go date here. I know they take una money. I'm working like that idiot we say when I not get work. Since 3 years now today one can ask me when I not get work. You see I'm more all day. My brothers and sisters, may I find the account? May I find the account? I be one for another. I say no. I put IPOB. IPOB. I be IPOB. And I don't know say I be IPOB. I mean they charge for this account. Nothing they happen. So when I put the money they abi. No, not they. Oh my God, not they abi. Not they. I don't see the account. No worry. I'll place some for my wall. I beg. I'll place some for my wall. The IBAN number is there. All the things you need is there. I'll place it here. I'll tack and pa. I beg. If na €5 put on. If na €10 put on. Na freedom of the fan. Okay? Please, I'm begging you. Please, our leader will not leave it here. Everybody, they do your own. You na leader, go do your own. I know owe you. I know they jealous you. I know what divide that POB. But for me, na free that they fan. I don't know what you defend. I know they divide anything. I be IPOB. I not tell you say I not be IPOB again. So now even they drag myself. Now why even sack me? Me say me no. Before I be one wrong. But for now, as it be say I don't know where na the direction where na want put me. I know they go anywhere. They say 100% I be IPOB. I don't go anywhere. I know they resign. I go continue to dey pray. Make our leader come and we move get referendum, move everybody going home. Territory, go and fix it. Yes. Fight for your people, hold your territory. See, Imo State, now our brother, we find that. If you go to Imo State, 3 sets of people they there. People for Idu was there. Ijo was there. Efik was there. Plus the Igbo. 4 crown, they say Imo State. That is why they want to conquer that place immediately. If you say me we re-talk, say we are Niger Delta for start. Naimo. Oh yeah, we de Imo. If many pass the one they Mona go check on statistic. If many pass the one we de Ijoland. We fed that. Nobody they tell us. Our ancestors they tell us, yeah, CIB. And now they tell us, now wait to say, now people where they say IPOB, now they give us information. Now they tell us, now still tell us this one. No, we they do our statistic. Imo State is our own. They are our brother, 100%. They are our brother. Sam, if you say, if you not they cannot come, say, make he leave us, more will go. May we not follow them. You see, 3.5 states. Now go be your own. You see? So we owe you, son. We owe you for brokos. You see? 3.5 states. Anambra State up to Iweka. Usuka Guleri. Now we get her. You see? You go nowhere. Okay? We not dey beg anybody. We go nowhere. All of us, we are in one mess. So our Madike will come now. We want bring us together before we not like ourselves. We tell ourselves the truth. We not like ourselves. We'll say Igbo not good. Ijo not good. Isoko not good. Benin not good. This one not good. The other one not good. Not be so. No. We want to come together as family that we have before. Before Romi and people come separate us. Una say no. You see, now Tiri and your state. Now son go carry. Now the truth. Even though you they commit, you even do video, you know, concern me. Tiri and the state, that be your own. Carry they go Imo, all the old Imo state, now our own. You see, we go nowhere. So my brothers and sisters, there is one boy, son, is putting red head, is challenging me anywhere I go. He dey talk rubbish me. I don't know. He go know me, but me no know. But me they tell him today, say, he say if our leader come, they'll say me they carry first state, me they go, hey, sir, now Tiri and your state, now you go carry. Yes, we don't tell you. Now that one, I go be our fact now. We not the jealous anybody. Tiri and your state, now be you go carry. That's why we are here. Instead of us to focus on Biafra and referendum, coming out to say, hey, come and fight for leadership where they collect money for Devuma. If not lie, make the constant talker. Devuma, he give them money. They no say, hey, for my own side, Mona not go there. I don't want. When I say I did, I be, hey, go like this. Tomorrow, una not say anything, they laugh me, say, una give Wasofia 100 euro. Now give Wasofia 200 euro in all day. You see? So I start getting back. Nothing dey happen. This account where I want place for my wall, I beg my people. I want to do magic. Very, very magic. I need better money. I want to do magic. You know, say if I say I need money, now it be no they fear. They don't know why I need money. You see, now make fear. No, they tell let me talk. Say, I need money. Oh. I just talk and that they say, may they go donate 200,000. Their head just cut. They say, Buhari, bring investigation. One girl was Sophia, he need 200 euro. They don't know 200,000. They don't know why I need the money. You understand? They fear. They fear. They don't know. Hey, but for this one, I need money. Our leader must be out. Yes, we must be out. Yes, I need money. I need a better money. Not be better money. If I wish. Now the time where I can't, I not go ask you now. I go do one fast. Now see magic. But for now, I know to get again. I get, but I not to get. I not too grand as before. So therefore, I need your help. Yes. If all of us join hands together, we'll succeed. Biafra na console. Yes. And Nigeria government must pay damages. They'll pay all these useless Igbo governors. All those Easterners leaders. All those people. Though who go there, who go run entire that go run. Now so we'll do them. These people, they are celebrating. Obi Kubana do cake with a chair. That they celebrate. They say. Now make me say, hey, these people. Peace. Today you go say one Nigeria. Unity will not be destroyed. Tomorrow you go come they cry for food. They have my plane cannot fly. They ask me to pay so money. They'll come there. Tomorrow, all those criminals, all those big banana, where they'll just carry caterpillar, pass their house for Abuja or Lagos. They'll begin cry. Hey, my life is finished. Oh, I am finished. Hey, if you go to Obi Kubana village, all of them, they drag food. These people, they want the next generation to remain like that. It will not work. Now I make them want kill only one person, only one, and now they go there. Now the truth, oh, now they go there. Now see, and all the people where they fight them, now see their life. Sunday hospital, they know where. They say that die, whether not true, we never know. We never still find out. But it will be true because I let remain more and the truth. Hey, my brothers and sisters, I will not fight for anybody. Never. Nobody can pay me to come and be fighting anybody. No. This share not good. I carry better share. Because this one they make noise. So, my brothers and sisters, I will not fight for anybody. We want freedom. And the freedom we must get them. I'm fighting for Biafra. Puto basta. I know they fight for anybody. No. Anybody, any leadership, do your own. Everybody do your own. So far, me everywhere good, me everywhere smart. I know they fight for anybody. I know they fight for anybody. No. Now only Biafra they fight for. Who know me? Now only Biafra. Now we want. Say, may you correct me for social media. I may I fight this one. No, I don't they fight for anybody. I don't they fight. In any nine way that they accuse. Then before yesterday, in any nine still go Radio Biafra. They say, bring your money due. So let us go home like that. Me know they fight anybody. I know better pass anybody. The hen shall tell. So far, what I'm against, don't kill our people on ground. Don't put their life at risk. May you day abroad. They enjoy. They shop money. You they send them, may they go, they die. No. Let them sit at see, my brothers and sisters in Biafra land, all over Biafra. This freedom, now Leonardo Kanu be our leader. I repeat, Leonardo Kanu be our leader. In IPOB, directors of state, which is Mazi Edozie, we respect her as a leader as well, is in IPOB. Now in the direct IPOB. You understand? But what we want is Biafra. And every one of us is Biafra. You are IPOB. You not be IPOB. You are a Biafra. And our leader talk, I get the audio. We are Biafra. We that is in IPOB, we sacrifice ourselves to make everybody okay. Now say they be one group must sacrifice to make the rest people to be okay. For example, now you get group where they fight will be FM for year. Not be everybody there. If you want to be a medlem, if you want to be a member, you have to join the group and you go to donate. If not 200 krona, which is 20 euro, if not 5 euro, if not 10 euro, where you take the support. That group, they are the one, if you have problem in job or person thief your money or your boss not treat you well or anything do you guys sit there, you not get insurance. Now they can't come out for you, say, the one fight for you. Now so we be. So everybody in IPOB, they are Biafra. So if you call the differentiator and say, now only IPOB na Biafra, I will want to fight the fight. We need our people to fight with us. You understand? Those people that is accusing me, that is fighting me, they are not, they never even win one soul for the IPOB. They never even say, IPOB, come and join. We want to go, we want to destroy the zoo. What we want is to destroy the zoo, make Nigeria not exist again. Make everybody waka you. Not be we want. As an IPOB person, that is what I want. So why did I so long way? Because they shook my leg, May I not do the right thing? May I not do good thing for God? God will look all of us. We are now IPOB. This seat at all is very good. It's very good though. 100% supporter. 100%. Now people get land. Yes, my brother, you don't talk. It's very good. Na Elohim. Chuko kika biama. Usalobwa olise. Tamuno na say make directors of state bring that idea. You know, no what happen. You know, when me don't find that, say, this case, na Kurukereo, where they take go cash our leader, kidnapper for Kenya. Me to say, na planner, because the last time we speak, he say he must be Biafra land before he declare Biafra. Now, come pause. What did it happen? My brothers and sisters, if you still they remember, I was very happy. I think say na planner like that. I was very happy. After some few weeks, I come first find out, say, they set time up. This one not be planning thing again. Now set up. Now okay. Now set up. Not be my body can't start to the pepper me. Una forget. Me not they forget. Now I say me they go. They must protest. They must do revolution. Me never know say sit at home na. Sit at home na protest. Even when the sit at home self. Me never buy and say, a whole leader. They just carry on. See everywhere you're quiet. Hey, nobody do anything. Hey, IPOB, they press there. The leadership will not be all because many are innocent. They press them, they not do anything. Me no say they don't chop money. Hey. When me don't hear say, na set up. Say they don't chop money. Not be a boss start. Una forget. Nah, boss start. My body begin pop even in my own birthday. I know they forget that day. When I go look the video, 14th of July, I bust that. Where everything don't open, I bust that. Say, I must go protest. Now the directors of state, Mazi Edozie Mukon say, must start to. Let's start to. When it can start, our people can guide the power. Say, now good thing. We not go rest. 100%. I raise my hand. Sit-at-homes must continue. It go help us. I join the people where they sit at home, where they say sit at home. Two things now they want. Release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Give us referendum date. Very simple. My brothers and sisters, we will be Godomigodo Biafra. Igodomigodo Biafra. We don't want Burukere. We want real freedom. If you say na freedom we want, you stand for that freedom. We don't want freedom of 200 years. We want freedom now. We know how to get it. Me, go break prison, break bank, cash oba seki, cash oba, we get freedom. Puto basta. For Delta State, cash okonga, cash olu for it, freedom go. Now that be our problem now. Very simple. It's not easy to catch it. People go there. Now we'll sacrifice people now. Forget it. We know how to get freedom very, very fast. Not be all those Obiano, call the 30 people. My brothers and sisters for the East. God go bless you now. More than not my sound. That useless sound. Now one of IPOB where they steal money, where they thief for his IPOB. They want the fraud to continue. They want to be killing people like Equal Son to continue the fraud. So we don't want that. Now all day truthful now we want. We don't want who lie, who they lie. Thank you, my brother. I love you too. Sit at to continue. Autopilot. I stand on that one. Autopilot. We don't want like people who are not straight. We don't want freedom of 200 years. No, as these people fight, they say they fight 400 years. Oh, we want freedom of 99. That Obiano way they 30 people. If you come out, cut your neck, na me talking. Some people can't go sue me for call, say I dey fight tribalism. When I meet that lawyer, I say, people say we be one, but they use us, they do you might be sacrifice. How it can't be one? He say, what is the proof? I play it house a record for them. We have proof, we have everything. I play the house a record, I play for him. This one, he died in 1996 or 1995. Now he died. I still remember because I did go to church that time. I did follow my friends, they go. One of my friends, Mama Nadiki for there. Now I mean, we'll still go at that motor for it, grow, carry us, go to church. So I know when he does, I say that. I played the house a record for the God dress. I say, you see, we are not one. We not be one. People when they use us, they do human being sacrifice. They kill our forefather. Now only that they rich, we not the rich. Now only they get country states from here to America, we not be anybody. We not be one. We are not one. We not be one. It's not tribalism, it's not one. As here be so. If you dey fight one Norwegian man or one Norwegian woman, if you go court or join their own, there be one. So for our own side, we are not one. Good morning, my brother. We are not. We not be one. We be different people. My Okpa, we be different people. That make me say we not be one. So any court won't carry me go. I don't even need to take lawyer. I wish I go square for be lawyer, for even be judge, won't arrest. We not be one. Yes, we are not one. No. Anybody where they use our own people, they do sacrifice. We are not one with them. No, they are different people. They don't regard us and we not see regard them. Very simple. Puto basta. So IPOB, we are not dividing IPOB. We na IPOB. We not deny say, we not be IPOB. Now we be, and we are not spoiling things for anybody. Do your own. We'll still look for our solution. At the end of the day, we are finding only one goal, which is Biafra. If not true Biafra, not the find, not true one me they look for. At the end of the day, we want Biafra. That Biafra must come. Very simple. Now we say, we dey find Biafra, so they enjoy the money, so they share the money. They'll set our leader up. This thing will happen. So before now the verse say happen. No, everything happen for reason and for good. Yes. So far, may anything not do our leader. Everything happen for good. Many things they share. Will be say people don't know. You understand? Not be everything person they talk. Mo just shut up. My freedom will defend. But if you are a fraud, you are not one of us. Like Murphy now, Murphy na fraud. Now because of his papa, now they quiet leave him because he just lost his father. May his soul rest in peace. That man, they stress and very short period now. 2-3 years now, they don't stress him before the guy die. May papa soul rest in peace. But Murphy is greedy and he's a criminal, I said so. Yes, if you want to help Murphy because his papa died, not be because he get caught he get caught case. No, because say papa die, you can help him for that. But the court case, not be because of Murphy Oba bring money, no. Not be him, not let anybody deceive una. Now because of Oba wife, that is why Oba bring money. Yes. Murphy name is there because Murphy is living in Germany, and they have been taking Murphy to court because of all this this thing where they call us, oh, you don't buy the fact or buy the Murphy. That is why Murphy name is there. If, for example, I'm in Norway, you cannot come and you that is not living here, you don't have address here. They will not just bring your paper, come and judge case here. Now, who the address? They deny they'll take judge case. I be not be so. Now, so. So, my brothers and sisters are not the jealous Murphy. Now, when they call Murphy, Wasofia is enemy of Murphy. I'm not his enemy. Let for me, leave Murphy. Me and Mexico leave Murphy. They'll put her for jail or they'll kill her. Now, the truth. Now, we they save her. Say, yeah, that they come or that they can't run, come out or lock your door, not let them open. Now, we, you don't know. Now, we, now they save her. You don't know. So when you feel you are the one that is everything, carry the go now. What it concern me as you? We're more here. Now maybe bad person is good. We're here. I'm telling you guys today, it's not because of Murphy they are bringing $30,000 or 30,000 euros. It's because of Oba wife. Yes, Oba kill mama. There is a proof. He kill many people. There is a proof. If they use people drink water, there is a proof. Even my own children. I don't say Mona give me anything. My own children now have to eat. They put my children on social media. You know what children is in abroad. Yes. Or you both know they use children play with anybody. My own children, people, they put my own children in social media and write their head, put there, their children head, say, rest in peace. That one, here is a asa, na me talking. Yes, I know, they're not fair to na me, na the fact. So put my own, no problem. But not be my own children. They are innocent. Yes. They are not in those states. They are not the one fighting you guys. So anything one they try to do to them. Now children, now take care. Now the truth I they talk. Una they try now. My pa they return to now. I believe on that. My ancestors that they return now. Now that have been a true. So my brothers and sisters, I want to play one audio record. Waiting I they try to tell now since. Waiting I they try to tell now. Wait first, I will answer you later. Okay. I want to find the audio record. So you see, when I meet, see, I know they carry the fat people. You see what is going on. I repeat, Murphy eru that we are not go there now because of Oba wife. Murphy now is not fighting Oba wife. You see that he want Murphy if I follow you fat, you know, see it. I'll go see tell Mexico, you go deal with you. You see, Murphy is not fighting Oba wife, you see. He dey fight him because of money. Murphy, are you fighting for money or you are fighting for freedom? Me no can understand. It's my people wanna ask Murphy whether na money they fight or na freedom they look for. You see, Murphy, left for only you go, may you go fight Oba. They'll put you for prison. And the Murphy now, quiet, Abby. You know, they do gaga again, like the way they threaten you. They quiet all of the shock. Because not be you the fight Oba. They know, say not be you. You will be fool, no guesses. I will help you. Uriya daya imi again, beg. Aya imi Maria be welcome. Come and do it. Uriya de. Wariya mi na ya imi you be bad head, Murphy. My brothers and sisters, sorry. I get one out to where they look for where I want to play. You see, I'm moving the 30 Oba wife. Say he want to remove his name for the court case. Not be everything. I mean, yata. Mo just leave her. Don't deal with Murphy. Don't Murphy never say anything. He not deal with you. You think you can fight over? Emma Nama, you with the look you, with the wash you. You see, huh? Get one of the way I want to play. Hallelujah. I not see the other play another day. My brothers and sister, I beg Mona put money for the account number. Now IPOB account too. I don't say because of IPO, because not be people where they IPO on the be now they support me. I dey tell now. I not say because so many of you now where they rub na mat say because you want followers, that mean you join IPOB, or because you want fame, that mean you join IPOB, or because you want this, not be because IPOB. I know what I dey do. But I not say me una way dey IPOB, una way be innocent, we not know anything. Mona no support, because we are going to use it for our leader. Yes. I want to use them for our leader, not be anybody else. God, they see my heart. Osaloba, they see my heart. Chukwu Okike, they see my mind. I want to use this for our leader. That is why I need money. Let for say I get my own. No. I'll do something. Why I say I want to bring IPOB this account number, because if I just talk, say may I bring our Igodo Nigeria, Ile Bino say, hey, Buhari come on. There is one lady that wants to go and bomb those things. That is why this one not be laugh. It's very, very serious. I need money. IPOB account number, because why? I want to use it because of our leader. We want to do, not me, not be me. We want to use it because of our leader. We want to do something. We cannot fold our hands and let only one group of people be doing something for him. We will also participate. Yes. At the end of the day, everybody is looking for one good. Very simple. I know they divide IPOB. I be IPOB. I know they talk to, they say the other day, one of my friends say, I exhort IPOB. IPOB, I know it's not to now. I say, some of them are criminals. I know why I said it. Some of them are criminals. They are killing our brothers and sisters. Our men, they are dying for this struggle. Do you know what it is to lie down for a struggle like this? You know, we can buy a car, a new car when it's destroyed. We can build a house when it's destroyed. But you can't bring life. We don't die. You can't bring it back. No, they tell ourselves the truth. You understand? We cannot. Pass it back. When Koson refuse money, big money, you go pass back. Say you believe that I go collect money for devil my hand. Eh? When we'll talk, the concern FA say, come and bring proof, come and bring proof. FA, we're married up back. My sister, you don't know anything. Not they follow, not be everything where they tell you they listen to. I not say na me good pass, because you be my sister. You don't understand. You be my sister, you don't know anything. Don't let anybody they push you people. No. People they feel say, na my marriage why they tell me something. No, na my ancestors. No matter why, I know they call and go and ask. Me not they call any people FA, I know they call them. This is what this teacher have, I know they call them. I don't call them. Not the truth. I know they call them. You understand? My sister, cool down. Don't let anybody use you. No, they carry this thing back. The way they pay you for body, just they fight for everybody. No, fight for yourself. Go and fight for robo people. Now the truth that they tell you, wait, if you don't see what you want to do, form community, wake robo people. Maybe say if referendum come, they don't carry last. As they say those ones, they say they only carry. May they carry first. Because they one boy come out now, they tell you say una no fight for una own. Una they fight for Indigbo. May everybody, now me fair talk and say everybody go to your own society and make sure they are prepared. This prepare because Fulani the audio. Now the truth I tell now, the one Islamize everybody. They are in a hurry. So therefore, our adult people, they must be prepared. If Fulani get ahead, I urge Fulani, may they go New Benin key too. Or may they go regrowth key too. Or go answer quarter key too. Now Benin people remove. I swear, they know where they for start. Even though they employ security, they employ what they call them OPC. They'll deal with them. Benin youth, now they go kill them. Plus Esan youth. Come hard and chi joiner. They go kill out. Answer go wrong over now. I don't big, small. Where they do Babagida must go. I know what you have to see my leg. Where they come meet us for school, I know come on. The mark see they see. You see that mark? Now they take draw. Now they take draw. I know they forget that day. I was in JSS 1. They come meet us for class. They use, oh yeah, get up and go out. I know quick get up. I know quick pack my things. I see sit down. Because why? When I dey go school, I dey stay with my pastor. I like school passers. Now the truth I dey tell now. Now the secret. Me no want go. I miss it down. They use name. They shook my neck. All those ones. If you go to Benin, it Fulani carry bomb go at those states. If you now see her, take go out. More than not go village. More than go the city. Those ones that they press them with secret court, that they initiate them, that they kill them, they, you know, put fear. Now that fear will they remove. So therefore, my sister, nobody is dividing IPOB. We na IPOB. We they take their order. I be you here I know they follow their order. We they do meeting, we they take their order. But you do your own. Do your own. Make people wake up. Because the time I come so. May not say if you deliver now the Kanu will see remain Nigeria. No referendum now they fight for. Referendum date or we fight war. All those people where they say they will not fight war. We know they are fight war in 1960 and not be everything. If you know fight Fulani, my brothers and sisters, without revolution, you miss it, you go nowhere, you day one Nigeria. Not be here with day. 2023 don't they reach this year don't finish it remain only 3 months. Now here we dey now our go see if they not do revolution as this sit at all continue we go nowhere. Now the truth Mona not believe all those leaders diplomatic we are going to be doing it diplomatic we are going to go to the next level now allow Mona not believe them. The youth now get power. Yes. When I not see as all those Igbo governors, they shout now. Obia not said is disturbing our economy. The youth has the power. I they tell now. The youth. I know they tell the youth what they want to do. Our leader have done everything. He have told you what you want to hear. If you not do your own part, freedom not will come with you. Not be only now the Kanu want give us freedom. Now the truth that they tell now. Not be alone as the Kanu. So everybody do your own. Do your part, I do my own. The other one, that is why I'm looking for money. Very simple. I want to do something for our leader. Very simple. Don't ask me that question when they say, what you want to see use money do. I need money. I don't know what I want to use and do. When I do the thing, I'll tell you, say, see what I use and do. Very simple. I don't say I want shop on money. Thank God, Obama baby, that idiot who just come just now where I block. Since 3 years old, 4 years where I start to do this thing. I dey walk. I wish I know they walk. I dey walk at the same time. Last year I suppose this grade where I did, so now last year I suppose damn. But because of stress, now I start at this year, so I dey go school. I even get exam. I will write long note. You correct, you no correct. My head, I use a copy long note on Wednesday. You see, I dey busy. Me now, my heart they beat me. I want to do one, but I'll still try. I not be Norwegian. I can't come meet them. If Norwegian get it, I get one. It's not good. I'll try. Hey, my brothers and sister, stay firm. Sit at all continue. Who want to do revolution do? Because if we not fight Fulani, they not leave you and me. Because now the South, now they produce what they take the shop. When I mean southeast, which is all this region, now we they produce for. Mona not my they can't grandson. He said now we know say now Lagos now get powerful income because of seaport and airport. If we fight for our own, say Gele seaport they work, Warri they work, Igwasha they work, Calabar they work, if Onitsha they work. Now see say everybody will do will balance. We know they come they go Lagos, go they take flight. If they pass or a road or kill you, we know they do. Fight for your own. Now make me they talk to my sister, so I get where they go. Point, my own point to tell if they say don't fight for anybody. Fight for your own and fight for your people. That be my point. Don't go the fact, hey, the one scatter IPOB, oh, nobody they recognize IPOB. We recognize IPOB because we are IPOB. Nobody they divide IPOB, but you know, be IPOB, me, you can't they cheat me. No, it no work. Now the truth. That is why I come here the other day. I said, I support our women. Let them do something. I just said, let them divide IPOB. I said, let the women, let's give the women the chance and let them do something. You understand? I know they work with anybody. I do on my own. That is why I said I want to do something. Hello, my sister Afa. Hello? Hey, Afa. Yeah. Yeah, imi ebeti mege. Nyama ba. Ọba munyare na ọba no na ọba munyare we ọba mo awe yado. Ọba seki ọba no onya we bonya ni oni Emir of Kano do. Wọ́n mo eyan we ale ni ahon so yon invite yan re e worry ma gwan later won. Yon invite yan. This is really pay us. Followers if you are not in Germany. My brother, now true you talk. If you know the work for Germany, they'll give you lawyer. It's free. So not be free, but they pay every month. Maybe if they receive like 1,000 euros, they pay 100 euros every month. So not be free. So not free. You understand? But this case, not be Murphy Face get this case. Not be him. Not be because of him, my brother. Mona believe me. I know the jealous Murphy Face. Murphy Face knows I know the jealous son. Nothing where I want jealous son for now. Not be the freedom way they fight. He said we not the fight the same freedom. I agree, not be the same. Now different type of freedom. Now with the look, now with the fan. Because me, I know they put money. Because I can never reach. Me I go reach like Oba. Oba, papa use Oba sheep to acquire wet time. You understand? So my brothers and sisters, let us not be fooling ourselves. This one not be case. Na Maria be na swore Oba na make Oba they pay 20,000. Not be Murphy Face get case so. See now. see. If they threaten that one, may I read down for now. If I'll feel read down, I'll fit no long. If they threaten, I say good afternoon. Good afternoon. I just want to inform you that I will no longer put your name in the last of those to be my witness in court. Not me. He say the reason is because you did not show me even the scent you prepared to my lawyer. Please don't write message or call my lawyer anymore. Okay. Again, Ota. I wish you will best of luck. Okay. He said, na Maria be they talk to Mofi Uyi. You see, it they threaten that one. Mumu. We go back that one out. Where the Mofi one killer they draw up and down. Not be me go beg and me, not still lie. Our mama and I go beg that one. Say I beg. Enemy ya je now I beg. That one not they carry anybody phone. No feel talk to that one. They go beg and say I beg, come and support us. Mofi that they draw up and down. Let that one taste that paper. You understand? But that one she's very smart. You know, say na lawyer. Now she read. That one not bring the paper. The problem here now. That one not send the paper because he know Mofi face. He not send the paper through Mofi face. He can't send the paper through lawyer. Now be the problem where they grant so. Now Mofi they fight everybody. They fight even me. Who was Sophia and the group. Who was I don't know what I do that boy. If they narrate me and now so he get property. Now what thing I get not be today I work for him. I work for it. I sacrifice my life for it. Not be to acquire something. I work for it. Not be today I get him. I cannot go and sell those things because of Mofi. He go they narrate here, they narrate me. I not dey. I dey on my own way. They say my need they proof. Now go bring my children home. I even support them. I never even ask them 1 naira. Not be Mofi get this case. Oh. My people, not be get this case. If you want help him, not help him because he lost the father. Not be because of this case. This case now everybody get him. Not be Mofi face. I get him. No manner. Mofi na thief. Now you say me they call him thief. Who are Sophia and the people. Who are Sophia and the people. My brother Mona no manner na fool. We don't take vaccine. No bad force. You see, they want kill. They not pay pension. They want kill our people. I hear say one person just died. When I they tell now say revolution, no they get sense. The first people make they take vaccine, they want kill them. Yeah, not be by force. If you want to travel, come and take. If you want to travel, because if you come back for travel, you go and spend 10 days in one place. So if you want to move out from the country, come and take vaccine for protection. Not be by force. Obaseki, you're the by force of it. You see what they talk? All these things now they talk. The guy say, come and pay my gratuity. In case if I die, and I know say I don't. Hey, you see No, my brother, Mofi, no, as I take on Europe. Now my sister carry me con. My sister, na Italy. Na ine na baby, go and ask. Na he carry me con, not be Mofi. Mofi, she no dey. Only mama support me when I want to travel. Mama pay my mama prepare everything. Me I so rest in peace. Now because of that one they look out. Mofi no as I take come abroad. Mofi the time why they come abroad. Now he brother. Oh Sakime. God go bless Sakime. He brother the lecturer. Now he escort me reach Lagos. Mama now give me money because mama and my papa na so they were best of friends. You understand? They will be like brothers and sisters, very, very good friends. You understand? Even when they arrest my papa, the mother was there for us. So after when my papa died, the mother said that now so far come so nobody to take care of these children because we small that time. Now I'm a mother. Murphy mother do effort, everything to make sure say I travel. He can't one man where they work with Mama Murphy. Now I picking carry me. We reach abroad. Now my sister now claim me. Now so I take one abroad. Murphy not know the time where I take one abroad. Oh, Mona not believe. Now Murphy is a liar. He's a liar. He doesn't know when I came to abroad. Now your mama give me money, prepare everything for me. Where I take come, yes say. You understand? Murphy did not know when I came to abroad. Ask Murphy if not be when I go to Nigeria, I buy and drink. I dey talk to him. I dey call him. Even in younger brother, if you want me, say if I carry Murphy reach his house, that one build house for Saplero. He say if I carry Murphy reach his house, he no go talk to me again. Go and ask Murphy if na lie they talk. No go narrate himself for social media. Say that Murphy na madman, not they list it for him. Na thief, Murphy na thief. Murphy na thief. I know they like to talk a word, but he go they narrate here, they narrate here, they narrate here. I get property, I acquire property, I get it. Now I do, huh? What did I do when I smoke? Even 5 years ago, I never even say money go house, they do anything. Go and ask my family. Go and ask them. If they ask me, I don't get money. I don't get money because I not think that okay, now here my children did. There's no need for me to go and be doing something back home. I have to do the one here. Since 5 years, I never sent 1 naira. Go and ask them. If I've give them any money, go and ask them. Even feed money, say I don't they give anybody. Except say I like you, say maybe you they hungry, you read the now they give. Go and ask all my cousins because all my brothers and sisters are there. Go and ask my cousins whether I don't do one thing for them. I know they do again. Since 5 years till now, I've not sent any shishi go. Murphy go they narrate me. Murphy ti say go fit be like Oba. You cannot, my dear. You not fit. You can't be like Oba because Oba, papa use kinship to acquire waiter. So you cannot be like Oba because your papa no use kinship to acquire with you. Now with the fight, so say in the nearest future may not be like that. Everybody, if everybody not be like this, go be like this. Not be say go be like this. Now that is what we are fighting for. So you are fighting for freedom and you want to reach like person where you are fighting for. That one is not freedom. That one is criminal. It's stealing by thief. Now they try to tell now. So Murphy now is not fighting Princess Imarabe that he want to remove her name because that one not true in name. Send the paper. He just send and go meet the lawyer direct. See, and I know they lie.
Road and the state secretariat was.
Then the first one people made their count down. See the messages now. See ya. See ya. No, I know they lie. See ya. With the fact and see ya. If they fight that one, may he can remove it. No, you know what, may not they call a lawyer go, may leave her alone. You know what, they tell people say now because of how bad they bring money. Who tell you? Left for you in our money and work boy, or deport you you. Who be you? Just say now because of you or deny that they bring money. Forget it. The person where they fight Oba, that our mama. Oba no know. Now that one, now make the tea strong for his side so. Oba no know the woman. You don't know. Oba no know. They left for Murphy. Oba even they happy, made they leave Murphy for her, may carry. Because they will they protect her. Mary protect you where we are here, we are here brave. Go and meet Oba. My brothers and sisters, I don't vex. You know, I be not the one talk with him Murphy do. Don't say I they fight Murphy, I they fight Murphy. Now Murphy go meet them at the Murphy. Murphy go meet Eddie Murphy and Omede. Say now people they send and made they sort of but say you want change, make they can't settle one. Not be when they don't settle Murphy can't still start to talk to Oba. Una know they look social media, wait till they happen. Una know they pick point. Because I keep quiet. Me know where they fight am. If na lie, may open a live video, may come talk. If na lie, say if you no go meet Omede and Eddie Murphy, say you want change, say na person send na. Person I say you what you they do. Person as like this, so na person I say me I can't dey fight freedom. No, nobody send me. Now my wish. Now make me say me all my brothers and sisters, all my friends, make they back off. The day when now they face and alone. Nobody send me. Now my wish. Now waiting I tell God say I want to. I'll be doing this thing before social media came aboard. I'll be doing it. I'll be fighting for people. I don't like injustice. That is why I'm doing it. I'm not doing it for money or come and give me your money. I want to reach more than Oba or more than Igbinejo. I can never reach more than Igbinejo. I can never. I can only reach average. The one way go gaga me until I die. Not be the one way you want come they do like them Yore way that they support. If you just hear say Yore want give the money 1 million year go your bust. Eh? Egbina. If you are fighting through freedom, you are not asking for money all the time. People know how to support you. Our people, they are very good. They have a very good heart. They know that you are facing temptation. Oba of Benin is pushing you here and there. They will support you. Not all the time. Just pull that video. Yeah, support me. Hey, I dey go call. This case, not be Murphy get am. Not be get am. I dey tell now. Not be Murphy get am. Not be now. That one make am dey fight me. This case, now everybody get am. Not be Murphy dey fight Oba. Oba no say not be Murphy. Oba no say not be Murphy dey fight am. Oba no. Left for Murphy. Whether they deport am or they put am for prison here. Left for only Murphy. Not be Murphy. Murphy is a great person. He said me never give her money. Not be every time they tell you Murphy. I not give you my shishi 1 naira. You know what time you want to give. Go and cry. Cry to net from nothing. Where I beg boy. Don't worry, they narrate me na good thing. I too rich, na good thing. I too get property, na good thing. Just they narrate me, they go. Ana okay? Ana boy, Murphy. Ana Uwa Sophia and group. Uwa Sophia and I don't know which group. Eh? That's the way they go beg now. Come and do this, come and do that. That girl no they answer anybody phone. No they pick. One our mama go beg her say now come sign, come testify, come do this. Now you agree. Say because say that one not send you letter. May you can't collect money for social media. You say me that one, the one make it not go. They call the lawyer again. Me remove your name. Ojuri thief. Ojuri. Make that one just leave you for me. Me. Yeah, deal with you, Mofi. I'll me. Only me one free deal with you. You know, he deal with you. My brother asked me, only you want secretary, only you want president, only you want vice president, deputy. You see, he said me na financial secretary for year. Yes, my brother. As a financial secretary, on my DK you go me. I bet mona donate. I want to place the account number. I not get her now. I want go bank. Me I go ask them. What is the acquiring where they need? Make a complex time for my work. Now must put money. I beg that can I pay be money, but now me the control. You see, our leader now. Now he believe that he get deputy, abi, he get financial, he get what is they call him? Coordinator, deputy coordinator, national, everything, you know. People many, but only Murphy, only one treasurer, only one account controller, which is financial, only one secretary, only one president, only one deputy, only one. Now they use the account. But people now not asking ourselves question. Only one all the time, money. You want to come and do like Unadi can share the position. He share it now. Some people call me, Unadi cannot no, say all these things they happen. Why you go tell no? As I be so, I dey work with Festus. In the beginning, with our need freedom, real. And I trust her. I said, okay, all this position, because we are fighting together. We want to be free. Festus go pass my back. You can't go compromise, can't they collect money? Una come they say, una the canoe no know. You don't know. These people are criminals. You don't know. Now they go put her for where they so. You don't know. I tell una say no. You don't know. Nobody they use Medio for una the canoe. Medio no the cash at all. But what happened is that, like my own state now, una here we come up announce and say we get 10 security, but they not one. But they'll go write better list, long list. come say, they have put this one in place, they have put this one, they have put this one, they have put this one, and allow, they'll take 90% of the money. Maybe don't use only 10%. They do something for there. They can't go tell now, they can't write big list, give and say, they don't do it. Una not the tick. Okay, person where they control everybody. I want content, no, not be waiting you tell I go here. So una the canu no know. You don't know now the truth I tell now. You don't know. His brother there goes down. The other one, deputy there goes down. All of the day goes down. Don't be surprised. Even people who still there with him, they work with the deputy. They work with the enemy. So my brothers and sisters, I don't know. Just as Murphy did now, only one secretary, only one treasurer, only one financial, only one president, only one this, only one, only you. You want to be everything. More here. No worry. We know they work with you. We are not the same. We know they work the same. May you they go. As I, is it not 3 days ago? I explained. I was in St. Mobile Road Unity Forum. In that St. Mobile Road Unity Forum, we get president, we get PRO, we get secretary, we get national secretary, we get treasurer. That is me. I still get my post here. The day where I go there, I go carry. We still get different posts. Everybody, you must be there. You must do your own. Even if you're not there at the meeting, they'll they'll send you message. You'll quickly run, go do your own part. You know hard now, your telephone. No? If you not sabi that time, fair person will go right time for you. You understand? So only Murphy want be everything because he want collect money. Murphy, I beg, leave the struggle. You just go take money for a bad hand because they don't they tell you now. Say me you go collect money. We are here, we are here. Me not tell you say me you don't go again. Just go, I beg, collect money. May you let us be. We must be free. I get time, my brother. In my Joker account number, I beg. Call her by yourself. I get your number. Call her, may you send money that. No, Mona not give anybody money, oh. The one where Murphy collect for Imajoka, that one still cost quarter. You not give Imajoka, oh. Mona go give Imajoka money by herself. I will post them for my wall. Mona not give Murphy. I get Imajoka number. May I call her for you for you? No worry. Contact me. Call me if after this video. Call me. Wait, may I put my number? I beg. Anybody will want to give Imajoka money by yourself. Don't give Murphy. Because I will now want to argue. Who do I feel where you two know? My brother, that one is my number. Call me. I'll send you Imajoka number. Anybody, like one of our brother that called me yesterday concerning Imajoka from Saudi Arabia, one of our Edo brother. I send him Imajoka number. Before 10 minutes, call me, say, don't send Imajoka money. God go bless you, Baba. Why you ba woman? Why you va woman? We came in Nuriria woman. My brother, I beg, call me, I beg. Not give Murphy money for Imajoka case again. I beg. Even the woman, the lawyer woman, we release Imajoka, they say they only have 400,000. American money where they give Murphy not bring come. He only give Imajoka whether I 150 give her. The rest he put on for pocket. He can't tell me say was Sophia and his group. Which day? Day before yesterday, Murphy was on live video. I don't do 4 hours job. Murphy day live video. I don't do 4. Murphy a winner. Go and work. Everybody is working abroad. If you cannot do full job, you do half job. Work now, work. I beg, call me my brother. Not give Murphy money. I beg. Not give her money because say you want help Imajoka. Help the person direct. Please, the number, the account number that I want to put here, now me the control because I don't look this side, look this side. I want to help our leader. I beg, I need money. I beg. Better money won't be here. I beg, Mona put money. I beg. Mona put money. Now IPOB account, bet. Now me the control. Now me, I want to use the money for some good thing. Our leader must be free. And we must get referendum. As I just talk this one, now you know the fear. Say, hey, you want to go destroy those states. Not be destroyed those states. We want to be free. Mona no fear. Even now we're free now. We're gonna be slave. See, you're gonna be now robo boy, aborigine. You can't go there. They fight for your oppressor. We know they fight for Obao. Oba not do me anything, but we not the fight for him. So those of una who na feel say una want create great Benin kingdom, we not dey create any kingdom. Now that fight be the fight we will fight last. We don't want kingdom anymore. Kingdom, they use it to oppress us, they kill us, they drive us away from our own. We don't want. We want everybody the equal right and justice in future. Now we don't grow, we don't suffer. The next generation, now then go enjoy, and now then we dey fight for. If we not start now so it go continue. It go be say now only governors, pastors, obas, and we get politicians. Now their children now get better life. We the rest people will they suffer. We don't work like that again. Now the truth. So therefore, una way they say, hey, Sophia, you are very dirty. If you told me, I not afraid you because you know why your mouth they smell. You know they sabi wash your teeth well. Some of una way be boys who they use cream. Now they say una fair. If una open una mouth, they smell. Now the truth, una know they wash una mouth well. So I know feel friend una. I know say I dirty, but una they smell. So me dirty where I know, but una they smell. I beg. In my joker money, Mofi take her, you not give her. You not give her. Ew. Hey, brother, you know what happen? Not be Mofi blame my joker. No, una no know blame my joker. Na a very, very great woman, a wonderful woman. Na a brain majoka. Na woman. Very, very wonderful woman. A great woman. Nobody know her. I don't show a video that day that they say me I know they show again. Now because of Mofi, because they don't give me that video, make I show her. They give me make I see her they take bail. They don't give me I be show her. Now Mofi still go push me where I can't show her. And I don't know how they take the cut and come off of it. I forgot cut. I don't already did there. My brother, if you want to see how they take bail now in my joker. I go show you not be Mofi Bella. Now our mama the Bella. We not nobody know our mama. That our mama we not they review them because they be secret. So any of us get stressed now they help us. So we not they review them. Not be everybody go show a face just like DOS. I don't discuss now. What are they do now? I not say I not recognize that. Mazi dossier muna our leader. Now I recognize you as a leader. I know the fact now. But what my own be say, we want freedom now. We don't want borukere one. Very simple. We not the fight DOS. Not be everybody go show your face. If you show your face, go come fight for you. Now the truth. Said he three lawyer. Mofi face to lie. They always forget what he talk. And that's towards shy Mofi carry lawyer. No be say no carry. He carry lawyer. He say na according to him. I know they say na 2 lawyer he carry. Mofi carry lawyer. Even many people, Uromi boys carry lawyer. Uromi people carry. All those lawyer, they sign a bail for Imajoka to be free, to be released. They did not bail him. Because other people say like must dead here, must die for prison. But now innocent women now can come out, can say okay, make the free. There is a need for the death to interfere. Now they be Imajo cannot be Mofi, not be even Romi boys where they bring lawyer, not be there. Now our mamas, now they bring our women. I don't want to play the video. They say me I not play again. Although it already did social media, I'm not verse. Now there. Now be Mofi. Now be Imajoka. The money we Mofi carry, we not see how. Mama mi go me Mofi go give Imajoka money. Me I not they join la. Today topic got she was that. Now your man with the talk to so because now if fat me. So now me they fat and back. Mofi, you say I call you thief, you be thief. You cannot be rich like Oba. Leave Imaria Bay and our mamas them to fight Oba. You cannot fight Oba, left or you. Oba look my eye, the Mofi go deal with you, you know. All those ones that they appeal for social media, hey, Mofi face, I hear well, no. Eh? They want to close that one. They want to close that one, man. They want to bring that idiot down. You want constant for front. You want to spoil everything. You dey threaten Maria Bay say, may not talk to your lawyer. May withdraw the name. Mofi take her. My dog boy with Jenny. When we Mexico quarter the boy there na me back on. Just take time. If not, if I just call Mexico now, it won't deal with you. You know. Now me they beg Mexico may not confess you. Because that one be already may come beat you. Now me vous settle to off on that day. Me you take time. we release contribution money for Majoka matter. We release contribution money for Majoka matter. Majoka, Mofi or Mario Ladoji. Mama, whether na my brother, Majoka, it get you for me, it get your account number. May our people go donate for her. So he go come pay that lawyer by himself. Because it already bring her come out. Now they try they talk. May they not give anybody money. May they not give Mofi money. Mofi now by the praise or don't know because that one now I says nothing. Mofi no say don't know get not be baby. Don't know get. That will not be baby. Oh, that will not be person way that now ancestors they use anything we tell you na boa. Not be loud. Try that woman. You'll see. You not see be not say that they sleep, that they wake up, that they see her. That one, you know, they quit talk, but you will deal with anybody when want. I will call you that day. Thank you, my brother. Call me, I beg. Send money to my joker direct, I beg. I will send you the number. Send that to your account number direct. Don't give more feel. Is that no speed movie name? I not Mazi. You don't know what they you don't know what happen. Now Mofi they spoil my name. Now Mofi. Go to his video. Maybe go. I tell one of our brother where they Italy. Make he hear me Osas. Make he hear me collect that video. Mofi go to a video on 3 days or 4 days ago. And Mofi tell they spoil my name for the I tell they narrate he head. I tell they narrate he head. They narrate me, my enemy. They talk. Sophia Nika. He knows say me go. Me. I don't keep Mofi quiet. I don't keep her. I don't spoil name my brother. Left for Mofi, Oba go put her for prison. And me tell you, Mofi not be anything for where Oba day. Mofi we go the beg Oba make the concert one. He not talk to Rangi. Wait forget say everything way ancestors don't use and finish. So if you like go the beg Oba, not concern about Oba will still deal with you. Forget. As I use this, so I say I be Oba friend. You know say they dig my grave now. Or I say I be no friend. Now my grave they dig. Very simple. I not be their friend for this life. Next life, I can never be their friend because they be killer. Then they threaten me. Go to Benin City. Go to Edo State. Come and die. So I cannot go and be their friend. I'm not their friend. My brother, I know they spoil name. Me will be the protector before. Now they spoil my name. They go. If they narrate his head. I get something. Even the thing when I get, I don't start to the seller because of Mofi. Wait till they narrate his head. What thing I get? I reach Igbinedio. Or one quarter of Igbinedio. I reach Risha. We go they narrate my. You don't know say they pay. That day I did work. I for come out for Mofi. I did work. You know they work. I don't do 4 hours. Mofi day live video. In the craze. I know they spoil name. Now he waiting be now they tell you so Mofi na thief. Now me talking. Cut him, go give him. People where they cut him. He say person send my video that day. See send this one, go give him. Na come for. Mofi na thief Ojino. Very simple. Ojino. See I dey fight him Maria Bay now. He say make him Maria Bay withdraw the case from lawyer. Name for lawyer. Make him not use the lawyer again. Mofi is a criminal. Now me talking. I show my face. I know not be audio I did do. Mofi oju him. A thief. Cause when he say we are ni ahwewe. U get me, u wasulo me. What did happen? Tell all over the world, I not rich igbenedio. The thing when I get, you don't tell where I acquire. Since 5 years, I never feel acquire anything. Now the truth, they tell you. So really, they narrate your head, they narrate yourself, they narrate your head. Say now you carry me, you wear me out your way, but you know that they pay for my head where I take come abroad, you know, because say your mama help me prepare me backlog for me, I take travel. Who get go home, talo here the whole group, all of that. They tell me what you they talk. Tomorrow you say na me they spoil you, they craze. Now you they spoil me, not be me they spoil you. Now you they spoil me, so I have to reply you. Very simple. Who they cut Murphy video? Fear, go give her. Now me talking. I show my face. I know they had my face. I dey fear Murphy. Mexico go be one go beat town 2 months ago, I be 3 months ago. Now me tell that one say no, my sister no. I beg, leave her. Maybe all those people still they lie. Now me. I dey cover for her, they cover. You go they spoil my head, they spoil my head for social media. I go they spoil my head. Even though from today, see, now social media I dey so, Murphy. Even though from today, go spoil my head, reach Ariave, my 1 naira, I not the entire your hand again. No. Your papa burial, I go give Osakime. You know, now that one na my friend. I will give professor, you go do what you want to do for your papa. But for you, shishi me, you know, see I get I go die because you are a bad head. You are an great bad head now you be. Now me talking shishi. I know they work for you. Go and work. I was on 4 hours job. You were on live video. So you want me to come and be giving you my money when you sit down at home. You they enjoy or you they do video. Me I can't give you money. Boy, my joker go and give my joker his money. Yes. Thank God. Some one boy they shout they go say wa Sophia and no don't know gay. They collect money for my joker. Oh the way na work by shishi. He may campaign in my joker. Me account number never. You see my account number for there. Shishi. I know they not donate anybody. I say now go give in my joker family straight. Now so I don't know they still do am. We not put any of our account number. I tell no I don't know they say no. This case it not be our own. Send that to a family. Now so we do am. Ile bino no zuo. Odion we. We not zuo. We not we mambere na gmo weje. Uri tali no ya face life we no gwa lebe. Nu ari esku nu ya we na wa zuo ba. We agbona je ve Benin City aje ve webu. We dare wa awe amere. E don't mena mo fina TV. You want do like Ijore go brew water me con dey say. River full year, me I show na river. River full year, me I go show na. I'll go take water for river, use and pray for, or even go bath, salt river water, bath, use and bath. But me Murphy go they sell water, not concern me. That will not be my business. The other one they sell salt and water. It work for them, may work. It's not my business. That will not be. May not they narrate me again. Never. I don't want to hear my matter for a matter again. Never. I don't do. May I feel still do. Whether I feel keep Murphy, whether I feel for lie in here, not they take. They just arrest him, my joker. He bring foundation number come out. You were the first genocide. You say they collect people money. You go open foundation. Who was Zua? When? Hello. Hello. Yes, sir. Good afternoon. Good.
I just use them like I hear you small.
Thank you, ma. Thank you, sir. We dey fine, sir. We dey fine. Have it on.
Yeah, everywhere, okay. You see that way they comment for whether a Kevin, whether a man he be a woman, that's just as Kevin. Make you not take your platform to attack Murphy. If he want to attack Murphy, let him go put in Facebook Live. Then they attack Murphy direct. Make it stop the right justice way.
No, you know waiting. Maybe na Murphy fans. Na Murphy fair attack me. Murphy do video, they attack me. Day before yesterday. I dey work, but I dey listen everything where they talk. I even they attack him back. Now Murphy fans, this person be where they I don't know a but now Murphy fans. So as he they write me, I mean they reply him. Yes. Murphy don't go tell them for their group, say na academy come.
No problem.
You understand?
No, sister,
Thank you, sir.
I understand you.
He dey narrate me.
Go make him try to-
I'll stop now. I'll stop. Thank you, sir.
Kevin, make you do your own live video. They attack Murphy direct. Make you know from what back and they do on my bed.
No, today na Murphy day. Thank you, sir. Today na Murphy day. May I deal with him? You too much. They go, they la. Not be because of say this case Osas Kevin where they commit. But Murphy is too much. You too much. That's the way we dey fight for. All the people where they bring the picture come out because of your greediness. Do you fight for them? But their picture is in Oba Palace. Their picture there Oba Palace. Only you want bring money more chop, bring money. Oh where you be now? Oh where you be now? Ye pocket where you be now? Where freedom where you be where you no you where they can live video no do is something me. I don't they use soda. You know they pay me. Anybody attack me, I'll attack her because we want freedom. Not be freedom of money. Enough of all money everywhere. Money, account, money, power. We are fighting these people that is enslaving us with money and power. People are still bringing money on freedom. That means my brothers and sisters, the innocent one, not be money, not be freedom that they look for. Now the truth, all the time, money. Why I said, please, this IPOB account number I will place it on my wall. Who want to donate, because we are going to be using it for our leader. Yes. I don't trust anybody. Now the truth. I don't trust anybody. I feel do this small one where I feel do. So that in the last day, now I want freedom with the look for. Now Biafra with the look for. I don't fight for anybody. So Mrs. Kevin or Mr. Kevin, I don't know you now. You be Murphy follower. Call this one. Send that to Murphy. Tell him, say, me, he call me, say me, they call him thief. Me don't talk and say na thief now. Make he can't do what he want to do. Make he leave me alone. I know the one. This case, not be your own. I tell him, na him Maria Bay case. Na him Maria Bay and Oba. Left for say na Murphy. Oba no the bring shishi. I bet you if Oba bring money, me I die. Oba, let's for this case, say na Murphy and Oba. You know, bring money. You don't spend money for your head. Now, in Maria Bay, because of him, Maria Bay will write letter to Germany. Now, make George ask the Oba for money. I'll be Murphy all the time. Na my head. Unu head in your way. Not be our leader, give you lawyer. When you take fight, the one way you fair, not be our leader. And people pack money, give you that time. I'm not jealous you, because you not concern me, and I'm not jealous you. All the time go they shout. They know they carry the rest people go because Eddie Murphy know say, what he did this abroad, I know a person. I be woman. I'll deal with him. Eddie Murphy know you can't win woman abroad in Benin City. If I you cut my neck, cut my leg. Yeah, I'll deal with Eddie Murphy. He and his wife, I'll deal with them. In his next life, if he see where you left, not be say go can not the boss. In this abroad. May try now. May come carry me go court. I'll deal with him. I get what he get. I even get the one way pass you. I go school, I don't know. I know something I don't know. I dey go on. Even though now why I get, now pass mark. So far not be 0/100 I get. Even though now 2 I get now pass mark. I dey go school. I get what here the Murphy not get. You know. A class of say, I get what he get. So I know some law here. Not be say I know. I dey ask question. I know law. I dey ask Oibo. What did happen? Eddie Murphy. where try either me or Mercy Coco. Come on, I can't carry us go court. Mona see. This one has more 30,000. Here no. We get proof. We will prove you until you die. You they pay. Never see anything now. Ibo wife carry you go court that day. To them. Try yourself. Try yourself. And the Murphy now if you carry woman, we now woman now because a Murphy he don't know himself. He they follow the today. I beg. I don't want to do again. Next tomorrow I want to Alba. If you like, you say who or bad no say you be enemy. You don't already do everything. Just forget about the rest things. Forget. As I did, so I want to go be Oba friend. You know, say don't. I want my life don't finish. Forget it. So my brothers and sisters, thank you. I will find that audio. May I can't play. I'm not the fight for anybody. I be IPOB. I not say I not be IPOB, but I not the fight for anybody. If you are doing the right thing, I will chill. If you are not doing the right thing, you want me to come and join you. Say may you stop our people that is fighting for real freedom by sitting at home. It's a sign of protest. I not there. I not there. My brothers and sisters, see my hand. I know they. So our people, we must continue. We are fighting for freedom, not money. But what we want is real freedom. Sit at home, continue. If not sit at home, be revolution, I be protest. I bet sad, mona join them. Una they suffer. See now, Obaseki they force una mona take vaccine. More of una sit at home and not work again. If they hurt there, you go still the hurt una. Everybody suffer together. I be not be so. Now so as we talk. So, my brothers and sisters, God will bless you now. Until I come on our way again, we will continue. We not they run for anywhere. We not the one with the other people. They go the lie for my head. Say, now carry me come, bro. It good. You still carry me come. I love my life. It proof. It good now. I not useless for abroad. Why you not buy Murphy? Take time. Take time. Kill that video no do go. I did here. My people, God will bless you now. Bye bye.